This smartphone chip is so powerful, it might make $1,000 phones completely pointless. And here's the crazy part. It's not even a flagship chip. It's designed for phones around $550, but the technology inside belongs in phones twice that price. This chip is called Snapdragon 8 Gen 6, and it marks a big turning point for smartphones. Because once you hear what it can do, you'll start asking a serious question. Why are we still paying flagship prices at all? Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 is built on TSMC's new 2nm process. Now, forget the technical talk, here's what that actually means. Smaller number equals more tiny transistors, more power, less heat, and better battery life. Moving from 3nm to 2nm is like upgrading from a normal road to a multi-lane expressway. Everything runs faster, smoother, and wastes less energy. Now, here's where things get shocking. Qualcomm is using its Oryon CPU design, the same tech from its top-tier elite chips, inside this mid-range processor. You get a 2+3+3 core setup, 2 power cores for gaming and heavy apps, 3 balanced cores for daily use, and 3 efficiency cores that save battery in the background. Result, your phone feels fast all the time without overheating or draining battery. Qualcomm normally keeps this level of CPU power locked behind expensive flagship chips, but now they're sharing it with mid-range phones. That's not normal. That's a strategy shift. The GPU is slightly toned down, and that's actually smart. Most people don't need extreme graphics power every day. By dialing it back a little, Qualcomm reduces heat, improves long-term performance, and extends battery life. Unless you're a hardcore gamer, this is a win. Phones with this chip will land around 4,000 CNY, about $550. And honestly, this price range is where the smartphone world is getting exciting. Better value, better battery, strong performance, great cameras without flagship prices. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 was already powerful. It delivered a 36% CPU boost and 46% AI boost over Gen 3. Now imagine taking that performance and moving it to a 2nm design with better thermals. That's not a small upgrade, that's a leap. What does this mean for you? Apps open instantly, games run smoother for longer, your phone stays cooler, battery lasts longer, AI features like voice typing, translation, and photo editing become faster and more accurate. No lag, no stutter, just speed. Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 isn't trying to beat flagship chips, it's trying to dominate the mid-range. And this could force brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo to deliver premium phones without premium prices. If this performance matches the hype, paying $1,000 for a smartphone will start to feel unnecessary for most people. Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 isn't just another yearly upgrade, it's a sign that advanced smartphone technology is no longer reserved for expensive phones, and that's a shift worth paying attention to.